Hi kids. Wow! 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 creatures. The first one is a monkey. It is so cute. The second one is a bear. Third one is a dinosaur. The last one is also a dinosaur. This is theropods. Let's join them again. Green color, white color, light green color, bear, yellow color, light green color, wow! Green colored dinosaur,
Hiya!
brown color, wow, color crayons. Let's open it. So many colors. Black color, blue color, purple color, green color, sky blue color, dark brown color, light green color, brown color, red color, orange color, white color, yellow color. Now keep them aside.
Wow!
So many colorful fishes. Let's open it. One, two, three, 4. Total 4 fishes. Let's play with them. Orange color, white color. You can also separate their birds. Blue color, yellow color. Violet color, white color. Do you like it, kids? Yellow color, sky blue color. Let's join them again. Now keep them aside. 1, 2, 3, 4.
No.
Wow, color pens. So many colors. Our first color is yellow. Second color is light green. Third color is red. Fourth color is sky blue. Fifth color is green. Sixth color is orange. Seventh color is purple. Eighth color is pink. And our last color, ninth color is blue. Let's learn alphabets. Purple. A. A for apple. A for also armadillo. A. Red. B. B for banana. B for also bulbul. B. Light green. C. C for candy. C for also cat. C. Yellow. D. D for dinosaur. D for also dolphin. D. Sky blue. E. E for elephant. E for also eagle. E. Pink. F. F for fish. F for also flowers. F. Green. G. G for giraffe. G for also goat. G. Our next color is orange. H. H for horse. H for also hen. H. Last color is blue. I. I for ice cream. I for also igloo. I. Now say with me, kids. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Bye bye, kids. Keep learning and also subscribe to my channel.